Let me tell you, to be very frank, I'll stand on business here. If a couple, like man or woman, has come together and the woman goes outside that union to go sleep with another man, bring the child, I will 100% blame the woman. The man is innocent in this case. He needs to know whether he's fathering his own child or another man's child. But in this particular case, two confused adults who are not married decide to have sexual intercourse and somehow a child was produced. I'll blame both of them. In this particular case, both the male and the female. One, you as the man, you're going to sleep with a girl who you're not married with. You can't use protection. You as a girl, you're going to sleep with a guy who's not married. You can't use protection too, or you can't use contraceptive. You're not even afraid of STDs and stuff like that. Both of you are to blame. Now, you now brought a child into the world. I think my father told me as a joke, not me, he told as a joke that this is what their grandfathers did back in those days. So whenever a guy, they say stay at home, take care of stuff, he said there's a girl on the other side of the community who wants to go see them, say, hey, don't worry, go see the girls. If you get one pregnant, I have a piece of farmland I can give you. I have one small hut here. You can just go there, take care of your responsibility. No one is afraid of a man taking responsibility because they know that marriage for a man is not pleasure. It's
punishment.
It's like, it's high. You can call it punishment. It's a high responsibility. It's the women they're afraid of because a woman on her own becomes a burden to the family, especially when there's no man who will claim responsibility for that. So that is why they protect the girl child, so guide her so well and make sure that nothing happens to her. And let me tell you the reason why they're trying to use that to educate the woman too, that men are not the custodians of sex. Females are. Men are only custodians of relationship. Nobody, if you're in a room, the person who gives consent for sex to happen is not the man, it's the woman. The man will surely ask. It is woman has the right of refusal or right for acceptance. So a woman can't just say, oh, he just went there, something happened. If he took it without your consent, that's rape. He's going to jail for it. You understand? So you can't just wake up one day and say, oh, a man was spoiling me, doing this for me. I just fell for that because he gave me everything. No, he gave you everything because a man won't be spending money for you, doing all those things for you without you knowing that he wants to test our coochie. So if he's doing all those things, so he has given you everything with the invitation and say, hey, girl, I'm giving you this. Can you accept me? Throw the money in front of you, say yes. So you've given the man consent and say, come in. You're taking responsibility for that. And if someone tells me, oh, men should be blamed too, I say, no, men shouldn't be blamed here whenever it comes to custody, incest custody, because why is the prostitution business booming? If all women say, no, we're closing our coochie for everyone, the prostitution business will fall. But because you are the one who's custodian of sex, that is why we have more females being prostitutes than men. And why is in the relationship, this thing, many girls are not getting married because men are saying, we don't want to marry girls because we have more whores than responsible girls in the society. Yes.